how to put headers only on first page on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can only put the header on first page. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs and you can see I have only one page. So if you want to header only on your first page, so you can make it. So what you need to do, just we need to insert the header and footer first. Okay, just insert the header and footer. So header has been, now write your header content. Okay, I have write my content here. So now if I insert the another page, if I continue click, then you can see I have now two page and the same header has been implemented on the second page. Okay, so if you don't want to header on second page, just double click on it. Okay, and okay, do one, make the difference of this page and netcast on web take zone. Okay, now we need to delete that header. Okay, now if I continue with, you can see there is a no header, continue with another page. Okay, so we make the first page is a different page, so it won't be continue to the other page. So now we don't have header in the second page, you can see. So that is how you can only keep your header on first page. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.